is key, patience is virtue. If you don't have patience, you won't be ready for this journey.
Yeah. Lock and twist, what it is. You got locks and I got tips. Information for your ears. Tell me what you wanna hear. Lock nation, lock fam. We in there like booty air. I appreciate the fans, so I ain't going anywhere. Coming through with the product.
What's good, people? I understand that some of y'all want to start some of these. Get your hair like this. I'm gonna let you know how to prepare to be prepared. You feel me? I'll let you know how to prepare for the journey. First, before we get started into this, I got some music I want you to listen to. Peep that.
FEMA came in time. I took a long time. I'm just on my grind. I took a long time. You know I gotta grind, and plus I gotta shine. Got a Draco with a drum, finna have some fun. Yeah, yo bitch sticking on my dick, she got a dragon tongue. Hey, I'm finna have some fun, but I ain't talking.
If you like that, if you fuck with it, go ahead, hit the link in the description. Check them out. You feel me? Without further ado, here we go. If you want to get ready for some locks, let's start with the hair type. All right, so I'm not familiar with the numbers and the letters, so I'm gonna talk what I know. If you got that super kinky curly, you can get locks. Any type of method you want to use, you can get them. It don't matter. As far as the length that you need to grow for that kinky curly, you need about 2 inches. 2 inches of hair, you can get started. Get your comb coils together, they'll be about that long. It'll be all right, let them grow, do your thing. What you need to have also is patience. Patience is key. Patience is virtue. If you don't have patience, you won't be ready for this journey. Also, you can't be worried all about how you look. If you're always worried about how you look, it's not going to be right for you. You're going to feel like you're on the ugly stage, even though your face didn't change. I don't get that, but you know, hey, that's how some people feel. Like, oh, it's the ugly stage because my hair ain't the way I want it. And just wait for it to grow and it's going to get there. It's not going to stay short. Patience. We talked about the kinky curl. Get you about 2 inches or more, and you'll be ready to go. As far as the comb coils and then anything like box braids or kinky twists, you probably need about 4-5 inches on that. Even the crochet, you know, you might need about 3 inches, 4. You know, get your crochet on. If your hair is more like mine, as you can kind of tell, some of these hairs is fucking straight, sticking out my locks. No, I don't trim that shit off, because all of that is my hair. Fuck it, I'm gonna keep it. But if you got hair like mine, it's like curly but wavy, you know, some straight, some curly, half and half. Got the good mix in there, you know what I'm saying? You can try out any method too. It'll take you a little longer to get locked, longer than the kinky curly. You know, I'll say about 4 or 5 more months. But you can try other methods that will make it lock faster, like the crochet tool that make it lock faster, get you some interlock going on, you feel me? You can do that. Some people, they'll go for the box braids after their hair get longer. They'll just box braid it out or 2-strand twist it out. Boom. You know, if you want to start with short hair, you're going to need about 4 inches. 3 or 4 inches. Yeah, because they're going to come out easy. You don't want that to happen. You're like, oh, I don't know if I can wash my hair yet because my locks are so soft and they might just unravel. If you got kinky curly, you ain't really got to worry about that. If you wash your locks while they're short, they're just going to get poofy. That's not a problem. Get them retwisted. Boom, you're all right. Even with the kinky curly, you get them washed and they get super poofy. Don't worry about that. Get them retwisted again. You be all right. As far as the straight-haired individuals, I ain't talking about just white people. I'm talking about some Asians. I'm talking about the Mexican, you know what I'm saying, Puerto Rican, you know what I'm saying, all of that. Everybody with the straight hair. What you need to do, you need to make your dreads. Notice I ain't say locks. You need to make your dreads. What that means is your hair can't be trained to grow like this from simply twisting it. It's not gonna work. Even from letting it grow and then separating it. Like if you had kinky curly going for the free form, you can't do that with straight hair. Your hair just gonna get matted up and it's not going, I don't know. I gotta do more research on that one. But I do know you gotta use a crochet tool. You need a back comb. If you don't know what that is, please look it up. I'm trying to have a description in here. You need a back comb. Take a section of hair, back comb that mug. You need to have at least 7-8 inches of hair, maybe 10. Back comb that mug, because you got to break down the hair. You got to break it up, boom, 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 get it all knotted up. And then you take the crochet tool and bring them hairs in to that section, like just compact the mugs, and it's gonna end up looking like this. Instant dreads, that's what they call it. That's how you make your dreads if you got straight hair. If you don't got straight hair, you can still do that. I don't recommend back combing, but if that's something you want to do, by all means, do your thing. So let's recap. Kinky curly, 2 inches or more, you can get started. Semi-wavy, semi-straight, all that in between, you need about 4 or more inches, depending on how you trying to start off. If you're trying to do box braids or crochets, you're gonna need a little bit more hair length. So, go about 8 or 10. You got straight hair, you do need to go 8 or 10 inches in length before you get started. That's what I got for you. You're trying to prepare. Know that you're gonna need patience. Know that if you feel like you're going through an ugly stage, it's not really what you think it is. It's just your hair hasn't grown to the stage that you want it to be at yet. It's like you found a caterpillar, but you like, oh, this motherfucker ugly. I thought it was gonna be a butterfly. Nigga, just wait. To be continued, coming soon. Next time on Dragon Ball Z. Come on now. If you got any questions, put them in the comments. Appreciate y'all for commenting, liking, sharing, subscribing, all that. Appreciate you for sticking with me. I see you in there. Because we out here. In there like booty hair. Stay locked, keep it healthy. Try not to use too many products. All these gels and moisturizers and conditioners. If all fails, use water, bro. When in doubt, rinse it out. When in doubt, rinse it out. Because you don't want to fuck around and use some shit. Then you go look in the mirror and you got some build up on your, then you're gonna have to go do some extra shit, or have to rewash, do a detox, all that other shit. You don't want to have to do all that just because you used the wrong product. I ain't get here by not making mistakes though. You feel me? I've made some mistakes. I can't say that I've learned from them all. We got some good healthy lockage going on. I do still gotta wash my shit, probably do it today or tomorrow. And as far as like, how some of when your locks get a little longer, or as they start to get longer and they bud up, maturing even after that maturing stage, you'll have some that at the end it'll be loose and you'll be able to pull the tip off. Don't be alarmed. Pull that motherfucker off, because it's gonna come off anyway. Just pull that motherfucker off. See, if this would have come off, this whole little section right here, if that shit would have come off, I wouldn't be mad. I would not be mad. It's gonna keep growing. It's gonna keep growing. I'm confident in my ability to grow my hair longer than what I think it will grow. Because I'm aiming for the smaller the back. I'm getting there. I'm getting it now. I'm getting it. Yeah, I'm getting it. Put it back. There we go. There we go. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. By the end of the year, I'm gonna be there. I feel like it. I'm not sure. I feel like my hair gonna grow that fast, but I don't know. We're gonna see how the regimen works out. I'm using water, some oils, you know what I'm saying? Gotta use that. Keep it moisturized. I got this some board dermatitis. But yeah, real good. Get down on the floor. But until next time, this is your boy Mobe. We out here. Keep it locked. Keep it healthy. Stay tuned. And I'm out. Peace.